Hello, welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. This is the place where we share simple plant care tips that are easy to apply but can produce surprisingly effective results. The Zamioculcas plant is one of the most popular indoor ornamental plants because of its beautiful glossy green foliage, excellent adaptability, and its symbolic association with good fortune, prosperity, and wealth. However, after a period of care, many people encounter problems such as slow growth, weak stems, yellow leaves, sparse foliage, or the loss of the lush green appearance that makes the plant attractive. If your Zamioculcas plant is experiencing these problems, do not throw it away just yet. In today's video, I will show you how to use a few simple ingredients commonly found in your kitchen to create a natural care solution for Zamioculcas plants. When provided with proper nutrition and appropriate care, the plant can gradually recover, develop darker and glossier foliage, and stimulate the growth of healthy new shoots from the base. First, to help this Zamioculcas plant recover, you need to remove any yellow, dried, weak, or damaged stems and leaves, especially stems that have lost most of their leaves and are no longer capable of healthy growth. Removing old and weakened stems helps improve air circulation around the plant while reducing unnecessary nutrient consumption by parts that are no longer productive. As a result, the plant can direct more nutrients toward healthy stems and encourage the development of new shoots from the base. After removing the damaged portions, the Zamioculcas plant will appear tidier and will be ready for the next stages of care. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. To prepare today's natural fertilizer, I will use 3 jasmine tea bags. Jasmine tea contains many natural plant compounds, along with small amounts of minerals and organic substances that can contribute to a healthier growing environment. In addition, jasmine tea contains natural antioxidant compounds and nutrients that may help support beneficial microorganisms in the soil, thereby contributing to improved nutrient absorption by the plant. For Zamioculcas plants that are weak, yellowing, or growing slowly, a jasmine tea solution can be used as a gentle supplemental nutrient source during routine care. Now, I will place the 3 jasmine tea bags into a clean glass container. Then I will add 500 milliliters of hot water to begin extracting the natural compounds from the tea. Hot water helps the beneficial compounds in the tea dissolve more quickly into the water, allowing the nutrients to be released more effectively during the steeping process. As a result, the final solution becomes more uniform and easier to use for plant care. After that, close the lid and let the solution steep for about 3 hours. After approximately 3 hours, when the tea is steeped completely and cooled down, I will remove the tea bags and stir the solution thoroughly so that the nutrients are evenly distributed. The next ingredient I use is honey. I will add 1 teaspoon of honey to the tea solution. Honey contains natural sugars, amino acids, and certain trace elements. Many gardeners use it as a gentle supplemental nutrient source during plant recovery periods. After that, stir thoroughly until the honey is completely dissolved in the water. Next, dilute the solution with approximately 1.5 liters of clean water to create a suitable concentration before using it on the Zamioculcas plant. At this point, we have a natural nutrient solution that can be used to care for Zamioculcas plants. Method 1. Cleaning the leaves of the Zamioculcas plant. Pour a small amount of the solution into a clean cup, then use a soft cotton pad or soft cloth to absorb the solution and gently wipe the entire surface of the Zamioculcas leaves. Cleaning the leaves helps remove the layer of dust that accumulates on the foliage after being kept indoors for long periods, making the leaves cleaner and more attractive. When the leaf surfaces are clean and unobstructed, the plant can absorb light more effectively, which supports photosynthesis and improves overall metabolic activity. In addition, regular leaf cleaning allows you to identify signs of pests, diseases, or weakening leaves at an early stage so that appropriate care measures can be taken promptly. After cleaning, you will notice that the leaves appear cleaner, glossier, and significantly healthier. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Method 2. Watering the base of the Zamioculcas plant. Pour the solution into a watering container and apply it evenly around the base of the Zamioculcas plant. Applying the solution directly to the root zone allows the nutrients to gradually penetrate the growing medium, creating favorable conditions for the root system to absorb water and nutrients more effectively. For Zamioculcas plants that are weak, yellowing, or growing slowly, regular nutrient supplementation can support recovery, maintain healthy green foliage, and encourage the appearance of new shoots from the base. When watering, simply moisten the growing medium evenly. Avoid overwatering because Zamioculcas plants do not tolerate constantly waterlogged soil. You can apply this method approximately once every 10 to 15 days to support healthier and more stable growth over time. Method 3. Misting the Zamioculcas plant. Pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle. And mist the entire Zamioculcas plant, paying special attention to the stems, leaf stalks, and both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. Misting helps remove dust from the plant, maintain light surface moisture, and keep the plant looking fresh, especially in indoor environments with low humidity. In addition, when the leaves remain clean and well ventilated, the plant can photosynthesize more efficiently, which supports growth and the development of new shoots. When performed regularly and combined with proper root watering practices, this method helps the Zamioculcas plant maintain glossy green leaves, strong stems, and a continuous supply of healthy new shoots. Results. After a period of care using this method, you can clearly see the improvements in my Zamioculcas plant. The stems have become greener, healthier, and stronger. Most importantly, many new shoots and fresh foliage have emerged from the base of the plant. Not only that, but the leaves have become thicker, firmer, and noticeably glossier than before. This indicates that the plant has recovered successfully, the root system is functioning more effectively, and sufficient nutrients are available to support the growth of new shoots. When cared for properly, a Zamioculcas plant not only maintains its attractive green color throughout the year, but also continuously produces new shoots, making the pot fuller, denser, and more beautiful over time. You can apply this method to Zamioculcas plants that are yellowing, weak, or growing slowly to help them recover more quickly. What do you think about this method of caring for Zamioculcas plants? If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel, and turn on notifications so that you do not miss more simple and effective plant care tips in future videos. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.